and you're both family and friend, and one amazing person, and that's something that means even more as time goes by. Happy birthday.
I see you in the city. Are you with me, baby? Damn. Rock solid, bitch. I'm built different. Hey.
Nails done, hair done, everything did.
Yes, my favorite.
It's your fucking birthday.
Oh my god, it's of course.
Teen pregnancy.
Happy birthday, Sam!
Happy birthday.
Oh!
So today is my birthday, you know, the big 20, but I technically skipped 20 and became 21 because I want to legally drink, you know. But I'm here in Oakland at the garden, and it's so pretty here and all green, so it fits the theme. So I'm here for it. But like, new hair, new nails, new piercing, like, sis, who is? She a brand new woman or whatever. So after this, I'm gonna go back home. I'm gonna get a little more ready, and then I'm gonna go freaking Cheesecake. Stay tuned.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alexis. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, we're gonna start off. Read what it says.
She don't give a fuck already.
Like okay. What?
Look at her
Oh my
rubbing
god,
her
0.2 font in this dark ass room. I can't see shit.
Someone bring her glasses, please.
What? I need like what I. Okay.
She tweaking.
What a wonderful sister I have in you. You're both family and friend.
Okay, I guess.
We thought it was cute.
No, it is
Damn.
cute, but does that make sense?
It doesn't make sense, right? I know the
Yeah,
first
it doesn't
sentence.
make sense.
The first sentence is a little
grammar,
fucked.
like it doesn't start right. That's not why I like. It wasn't because that. It was because the grammar.
Yes, college student.
So sorry, I'm so educated.
Happy birthday, Alexis.
Baby.
I hope you have an
Amazing.
Amazing.
Don't say who it's from. Just read them.
Bitch, it's not even. It doesn't say amazing. It says awesome.
Oh.
I hope you have
Awesome.
an awesome day. Thanks for making all our lives a little brighter. Love you. Aww.
Aww.
Happy birthday, whore. I wonder who that one's from. You're so funny. True. And always make me feel better when I'm down.
Facts.
Happy birthday, future roomie.
No, that's not. I was like, no. Maybe fold the card back.
No, because she wrote on this side and this side.
Oh, that's not mine.
Why
That's mine. Look at me.
I'm gonna
Kitty
I'll
girl.
rock her, but not that
Okay, happy birthday, future roomie. I'm so excited for us to room next year. We're really about to have a blast.
I know my writing is so bad.
I can always put your lashes on. Now,
What?
now I'll put them.
A putear!
Bitch can't read Spanish.
Aputear, XOXO, bra. Oh.
Take
A putear?
Take two.
Off your rocker a little bit?
Bitch, I was just reading. I forgot you guys put names on these. Okay, okay. First of all, happy birthday. Ooh, nice writing. Birthday to the baddest bitch out here. I love you so much, dude. Love you too. I'm glad we are still friends because I couldn't imagine my life without you. Aww. Oh, wait. Without you in it.
Tears.
You are legit my ride or die and have a cheerful and humorous soul. Happy birthday, Alexis.
It's a little hot here. Let's zoom in on that.
Turn it upside down. That's right.
Nope, not that way, but the other way. That.
Yeah, we are a PG channel. I'm not trying
You
to
already
demonetize.
posted that.
I'm gonna blur it out.
another one. Hi, I'm going baby on baby.